This is the brief on the Smart 3. It's the brand's first ever all-electric sports utility coupé, a ride that perfectly balances striking aerodynamic design with serious performance to elevate the compact SUV market. First, we're looking at 4.4 meters long and 1.8 meters wide, with a stretched 2,785 millimeter wheelbase for maximum legroom under a gorgeous panoramic halo roof. It rocks a shark nose and an aero-focused 0.27 drag coefficient. Think of it as slicing through the wind like a bullet, which is absolutely crucial for maximizing your EV's battery life. Second, that sleek shape helps squeeze out 435 to 455 kilometers of range, and a 150 kilowatt DC fast charger hits 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. Power scales from 200 kilowatts in the Pro Plus, doing 0 to 100 in 5.8 seconds, up to 315 kilowatts in the AWD Brabus, doing it in a blistering 3.7 seconds. But hey, is sub-4-second acceleration in a compact SUV actually necessary for the everyday driver? Or is Smart just flexing their engineering muscles? Finally, we've got 4 German trims ranging from the €43,490 Pro Plus to the €50,990 AWD Brabus on 20-inch wheels. And they're expanding globally to markets like Saudi Arabia, Colombia, and Morocco. With special editions like a 2025 Keith Haring art car, glowing Galaxy roofs, and the Brabus snagging an Australian Hot 25 Car of the Year award, you gotta wonder, do these artistic additions distract from the core engineering or successfully elevate it to a premium lifestyle product? Ultimately, the Smart 3 proves everyday compact EVs can absolutely merge high-end fashion with motorsport-level thrills.